Good Monday, everyone. Today is the last day of November and we are in December. We only have 3 weeks until this quarter ends, so make sure you are up to date on all of your assignments. We will meet at 8:30 to share our Mindful Monday activity responses, so try to complete it before 8:30. Check out the classwork PowerPoint for today and notice I have added another slide. Pay close attention to slide number 9. Mondays from now on will be split into two small groups, one for math and a separate one for literacy. So you may see Miss Rollins once, or you may not see Rollins at all, or you may see Rollins for one and not the other. So just know that they're not the same for math as reading. So let's make it a great Monday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.